Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Autopilot.dll failure that occurs in the Windows Event Viewer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in services, best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down to the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. And double click on it. Now you want to select in the startup type here, click in the drop down, and you want to set disabled as the option that is selected here. And then service status should be stopped. If it's running, you want to select stop and then select applying, okay? And then once you're done with that, just close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.